The Honourable Member for Rustico Emerald and the Opposition Whip.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's a pleasure to rise today and welcome everybody watching from District 18, Rustico Emerald, of course, and everyone in the gallery. Great to see you all here today. Mr. Speaker, I wanted to recognize Emerald Isle Property Management, celebrating 10 years in business this year, Paul McKinnon, Stacey Wyan and staff, and also the Cavendish KOA Holiday Campground. So that's Victor and Kay Hirskew. They're celebrated 25 years in business this year, Mr. Speaker. And finally, I wanted to give a shout out to the Pleasant Valley 4-H Club, going there to judge their speeches and demonstrations at their communications night tonight. And I know it's going to be great. They had the Cavendish 4-H Club one already, and my daughter Annika and her partner Charlotte managed to win for their demonstration, and my son Alex, with his speech on you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, managed to come in runner-up as an alternate. So the 4-H Communications Night is an excellent thing, and as always, I'd recommend 4-H to any family that's looking to give their kids a jump start. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member.